If you're wondering how you can change the DPI settings on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on About Tablet. Now on this page just tap on Software Information, and from here just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Continue. Now after you enable developer options on your tablet, as you can see, this is the option for developer options. Now in the search bar, just search this. Tap on minimum width. And under the developer settings, just tap on minimum width. And from here, you can customize the DPI settings to whatever you like. Now just enter your DPI number and tap on OK. And by doing that, you will change the DPI settings on your tablet. Just like that. And this is how you can change the DPI settings on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.